Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, spring is finally here in Wisconsin and the weather's nice, so we got some improvements to do. Actually, we're planning quite a few of improvements here at the BSF Recovery Team homestead, ranch, I don't know, camp, whatever you want to call it. There's time to figure out a name later. But anyway, one of the first improvements that we want to do is we're going to put in a new driveway. A wraparound driveway so I can get the big trailer in and out. Shall we take a look at what we're doing? So here's where the second driveway is going to be. So we can come in off the road, alongside the pine trees here, wrap around the back side of the garage, and out our other driveway. This one's going to be 48 feet wide. That should give me plenty of room to get the trailer in and out. And it'll make it a lot easier to turn it around in my yard. As you can see though, it also means that shed over there has got to come out. So I got two options for tearing down the shed. One is we can do like they did on one of them TV shows one time with a big red square body. I think they were pulling a porch off a house or something. Tim the Toolman Taylor, I don't know. Anyway, we can pull the shed down with the wrecker or we can demolish it with the Bobcat. So here's the deal. I'll let you guys vote. Leave it in the comments. Do you want me to take the shed down with the wrecker, or do you want me to demolish it with the Bobcat? I'll give you 1 week to leave a comment, and the most comments is the one that wins, and that's how we'll take it down. Right now, we got some work to do, though. We got to lay some pipe. Oh, get your mind out of the gutter. I meant culvert pipe. That's good. Well, there you have it. Laying culvert, tow truck style. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Subscribe to our channel, share our videos, keep wheeling, and maybe we'll see you out there in the woods.